Welcome to our channel. If you want to get pre-approved for a mortgage before house hunting, follow these step-by-step instructions to strengthen your offer position. Step 1. Check your credit score with all 3 bureaus and review reports for errors. Most conventional loans require a minimum score of 620, though higher scores get better rates. Step 2. Calculate your debt-to-income ratio by dividing your monthly debt payments by gross monthly income. Lenders prefer ratios below 43% for approval. Step 3. Gather financial documents including 2 years of tax returns, 2 recent pay stubs, 2 months of bank statements, and information about other assets. Step 4. Save for a down payment and closing costs, typically 3 to 20% of the home price depending on loan type. Larger down payments often secure better rates. Step 5. Research and contact multiple lenders, including banks, credit unions, and mortgage brokers to compare rates, terms, and fees before choosing one. Step 6. Submit a formal mortgage pre-approval application with your chosen lender, providing all requested documentation for a thorough financial review. Step 7. Receive your pre-approval letter stating the maximum loan amount you qualify for, the interest rate, and loan terms based on your financial profile. Step 8. Use your pre-approval letter when making offers on homes, showing sellers you're a serious buyer with verified financing capabilities to close the deal. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.